Baby, pana. Anywhere that you go, I can follow you to go. Baby, pana. I say you like cassava, I get to be cassava.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing some quick crochet on my hair. So the hair I'm going to be using is the hair that I already reviewed. So this is just a quick install on my hair. Okay, so this is the hair. If you didn't watch my last video about this hair, check my channel for it. So this is the hair, the model pre-feather hair. This is a 20-inch braid and it's 3 in a pack, okay? And this is in the color T30. So this is my braiding pattern right here. So yeah, I mean, if you haven't followed my channel, this is just a quick installation. So I will be doing my crochet up to here, and then I will come back and then I will show you basically how I do the front and with the invisible method. Alright, okay guys, so I have crocheted this hair. This is how it's looking, but I'm pretty getting tired right now and I am about to go to bed, so I will definitely show you guys this part, invisible part right here, tomorrow. But for right now, as you can see, my eyes are tired. So this is how the hair is looking so far. Yeah, so tomorrow I will come back and show you guys after work and show you guys the final look. Alright. Hey guys, I am back again today to finish this hair that I started. So what I did was tie my head and went to work this morning, you know. So but I'm almost done. So I wanted to show you guys, I left a braid right here to do the invisible part. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be doing this invisible part right here. So I'm going to try to come as close as possible. This one braid right here is what I will be using to do this side and do this side as well. So right now I started like right here. I'm not perfect, alright? So let me tell you guys now, I'm not perfect with this yet, but the technique that I learned, so I'm trying to put it into work. So let's go. I started doing this and it's working so far. So now what I'm using is I'm taking my little crochet pin and put it in to the braid, not in the middle but on the side of the braid, okay? And you don't want to make it bulky as well, okay? So take your hair, put it through, close the latch, pull it, but don't pull it all the way, like right here, okay? Open this part up, take half of the hair, okay, and put it in, okay, and put it in to the side, okay? So now twist, put the hair again, and then twist one more time, and then pull both hair and just pull it through down, okay? So that's the technique I have been using. So let's do one more. So I'm going to take my crochet pin, put it on the side of the braid. The reason why I'm not doing it right in the middle, because I'm going to use this side for this side. Okay, so I'm going to take my hair, I'm going to put it through, Okay, and then put one piece of this hair. I'm gonna divide it into two pieces. Okay, and I'm gonna lay the other piece right here, and I'm only dealing with this piece right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this part. Okay, I'm gonna twist and put this hair in, and I'm gonna pull. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, so that's what I have been doing with my invisible. You can see the difference from this side to this side because I haven't finished yet or started yet on this side. So that's what I will be doing, and I will come back and show you the final result. But before I go ahead, let me show you one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. Put my hair through. Okay. Open this up. Take one piece out of this hair. Put the other one down. Okay. Twist this. Put the hair back in. And just pull. You can do more than one or twice, what do you call it? Twists. If you want to, depending on you. Either way works. Sometimes I do it once, sometimes I do it twice. Okay, so guys, I will come back and show you the final results. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I have two of them that is left in the front. So I decided to not to flip the invisible, to just open it up and let it lay flat, because if not, it will be a gap in the middle, in which I didn't want. So what I decided to do is still the invisible method, but it's just more flatter without, it looks like a wig. Basically, that's what this closure looks like. But if I was gonna leave it the invisible method, then the gap will be a little bit bigger, you know. So I decided to leave it this way. So, because I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. This way, it would have been like bigger, like right here, the gap would have been way bigger. So instead of flipping both pieces on one side, so I open it up so it will lay flat. It might not be everybody's cup of tea, which is okay. You know, everybody grow and learn and grow. But like I said, this is my first time doing the invisible method, and maybe as time goes on, I will find another way that works for me. Okay, but so far, this is my, this is how the hair looks. Yeah, so let me show you guys what I'm talking about and what I did. It's still the same method, but you know, so I'm gonna put my crochet pin in and then push it in. Take one of the hair. Okay. Twist this and pass it through. Okay. It's just the same method, but you know, I think I like it this way better. It looks like a wig. You know, you have a wig, it doesn't have a part in that kind of form, like right there. So yeah, but I like it this way. It looks better than the big gappy gap, you know. So some people might not even know it's the crochet hair, you know. They might think, you know, but all my imperfections, I'm just gonna correct it as I go on. But you know, I just want to finish with this video and be done with it. But I have extra hair left. I didn't use all 2 packs, so as time goes on, so I will correct whatever needs to be corrected. So, but so far I am loving it, because I really don't do straight hair like that. So this is kind of like, you know, my first time doing this straight hair too. So, you know, it's always room for growth. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this method that I'm doing. So okay, yeah, so yeah, it's easy. It's the same method, but instead of me flipping it this way or flipping it this way, see, like that, I think I like it this way better. Yeah, see, it hides my imperfection. If I want to add a concealer, I can, but I'm not gonna do it. It's not a wig. It looks like one, but it's not. So I'm gonna gel like my sides and everything. So this is what the hair looks like, and you know, I think I did a pretty good job, you know. So I think I did a great job for myself. I pat myself on the back for doing a great job on my hair. Once my face is lit and my eyebrows is done, I'll show you guys the final look. But so far I am happy. Yes, I am happy with this hair, the way it turns out. So yeah, I will show you some pics, y'all. Okay, have a good day.